Alright, there goes Tad again. He's watching the shit out of that. Welcome back, guys. Time to test out all the fixes and changes that I've done to the Evo. I'm gonna see if that oil pan works, if the catch can works, and if the whole car basically works. I adjusted the suspension the best I could. And like I said in my previous videos, I don't really know how do you do that, but I did it basically the best way it felt to me. So this is actually an autocross event, but it's not like a small autocross. It's really like a small track. It's a go-kart track. All right, boys, in line to make the first run. Again, I'm not an autocross guy, so don't expect to do anything great. Hopefully we could just feel the car out, make sure everything is good, nothing loose, nothing off. Here we go. Alright guys, so second run group of the day. I did three runs, but obviously I don't know the track and I don't know this car, so I didn't do too good. On that last one, the clutch wasn't happy and it was locking me out a lot, so that kind of ruined that run. I'm assuming it's because I'm launching it here, and we do three laps per session. So I'm gonna try to launch it a little bit softer this time, and to not overheat the clutch again. Hopefully I don't have the shifting issues. Good. Okay, so that was first run. I think I ran over a cone, so they're gonna take two seconds off that run, but that was much better than my previous runs. Let's see what's my oil pressure minimum. That looks good. I never heard the pressure warning, so I think we're good. The oil pan is definitely doing its job. Not worried about it anymore.
Last one, all right?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Slides. That was a lot of fun. Never done autocross, but I felt like it was a lot of fun. Made it back home in one piece. The first outing in the 9 was a complete success. Everything with all the work that I did to the car really paid off. I ended up coming sixth overall out of, I don't know, like it was like 130 plus cars. So, you know, for a guy that's never autocrossed and a car that was never, you know, it was untested, I think that was a pretty good result. The oil pan worked. Didn't get any low pressure warnings at any point. The catch can worked. The catch can is just empty. There's nothing in there, absolutely nothing in there. So the valve cover modifications and all that, they work. The brakes worked. These Cobalt, I'm running Cobalt XR1 pads, and you know, I know that the heat range is not really there for autocross, but I never felt like I needed more brake or more bite. So yeah, man, overall, I'm really happy. I can't wait to take this thing out to a big track like Sebring or something and see what's really all about. Oh, and the suspension adjustments that I had done, everything worked just great, you know. So I think I'm gonna leave the suspension alone because it handles really good. The bumps handles really good. It's not bouncing all over the place. It feels really stable, even doing the slalom stuff. So anyways, guys, next thing for this car is going to be maybe the next time you'll see it is probably when I take it to the track at Sebring. I don't know, we'll see. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. On to the next one. Peace.